Assalamualaikum dear students, my name is Saifullah and I welcome you all to STEM International। अपनी आज की इस वीडियो में हम ग्रेड 2 की कंप्यूटर की बुक कीपैड के चैप्टर नंबर 4 माउस एंड कीबोर्ड को स्टडी करेंगे। इस चैप्टर में हम माउस और कीबोर्ड की मुख्तलिफ पार्ट्स को और उन मुख्तलिफ पार्ट्स की फंक्शनैलिटीज को थोरोली डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपने चैप्टर 4 माउस एंड कीबोर्ड की तरफ।
Grade 2, Chapter number 4, Mouse and Keyboard. A computer mouse. A mouse is a part of a computer that looks like a real mouse. It is small in size. It is used to point at items shown on the monitor. When we move the mouse, the small arrow on the screen also moves. The small arrow is called the mouse pointer. The mouse is usually kept on a flat surface called mouse pad. ये थी कुछ बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट अ कंप्यूटर माउस। अब हम ये देखेंगे कि कंप्यूटर माउस की कितनी टाइप्स हैं। टाइप्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर माउस। There are many different types of the computer mouse. Some of them are as follows. Mouse with different button. Two-button mouse. A mouse with two buttons is known as a two-button mouse. The two buttons are left button and right button. Scroll mouse. A mouse with a scroll wheel between the left and right buttons is called a scroll mouse. इसके दरमियान में एक scroll wheel लगा होता है। There are different types of scroll mouse. Some of them are optical mouse, ball mouse, touchpad mouse, gaming mouse and wireless mouse. तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं optical mouse. It uses a laser light instead of a ball for movement of the mouse pointer. It is faster than the ball mouse. इस माउस के नीचे एक छोटी सी लाइट लगी होती है जिसकी मदद से ये मूवमेंट्स को डिटेक्ट करता है और स्क्रीन पर पॉइंटर की मूवमेंट्स को कंट्रोल करता है। Our next mouse is the ball mouse. It has a ball under it. This helps to move the mouse pointer on the screen. जैसे जैसे ये बॉल मूव करता है वैसे ही स्क्रीन पर मौजूद पॉइंटर भी मूव करता है। Touchpad mouse. The touchpad built into a laptop. It is not a mouse but it works like one. ये एक माउस तो नहीं है लेकिन बिल्कुल माउस की तरह ही काम करता है। ये अमूमन लैपटॉप्स पर लगा हुआ होता है। गेमिंग माउस. It is just like a scroll mouse and is used to play games. It is very expensive. A gaming mouse often has an extra buttons and fast response for games. ये ज़्यादातर गेम्स खेलने के लिए ही इस्तेमाल होता है। Our next mouse is wireless mouse. It is not attached to the computer with a wire. It uses wireless signals to communicate with the computer. अब हम सीखते हैं माउस के कुछ uses और actions के बारे में। Mouse actions. Pressing the button is called a click. Clicking the mouse button tells the computer what to do. अब हम इसके कुछ click events पढ़ते हैं। Single click. When we click the left mouse button once, it is called a single click or a left click. It is used to select an item on the monitor. Select this PC icon on the monitor. To select an icon, follow these steps. Step 1. Move the pointer and place it on this PC icon on the monitor. Step 2. Now press the left button of your mouse and release it. This PC icon will be selected. ये था सिंगल क्लिक का इस्तेमाल। अब हम माउस की क्लिकिंग के एक नए इवेंट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे which is double click. When we click the left mouse button twice quickly, it is called double click. It is used to open a file, a folder or window. Open this PC icon. To open an icon, follow these steps. Step 1. Move the pointer on this PC icon. Step 2. Now double click the mouse button on it. This PC window will be opened. अब हम पढ़ेंगे राइट क्लिक के बारे में। राइट क्लिक When we press the right click of the mouse, the list of commands that appears is known as a pop-up menu or shortcut menu. Open the list of commands of this PC icon. To open the list command of this PC icon, follow these steps. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer to the this PC icon. Step 2. Now right click on it. You will get a list of commands. तो बच्चों आपको ये भी बताता चलूं कि स्क्रीन पर मौजूद किसी भी एलिमेंट पर या किसी भी आइकॉन पर राइट क्लिक करने के बाद जो मेन्यू ओपन होता है इसे हम पॉपअप मेन्यू या शॉर्टकट मेन्यू कहते हैं. When we press the right button of the mouse, the list of commands that comes is known as pop-up menu और shortcut menu. अब हम एक और बहुत ही मजेदार इवेंट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे which is drag and drop. ये बहुत ही मजेदार फीचर है किसी भी माउस का. Moving a mouse while keeping the left button pressed is called dragging. It is used to change the position of an item on the screen. हमें बस उस चीज को क्लिक करना है, लेफ्ट बटन को प्रेस किए रखना है और इसको उठाकर किसी भी जगह हम मूव करवा सकते हैं. और जब हम लेफ्ट बटन को रिलीज करेंगे, it is called dropping. Releasing the mouse button after dragging is called dropping. Change the position of this PC icon on the screen. To change the position of this PC icon, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the this PC icon using left click. Hold the left button and move the pointer to the new place. Step 2. Hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse pointer where you want to move the this PC icon. Step 3. Now release the left button. You will notice that the icon has been moved. इस तरीके को इस्तेमाल करके आप किसी भी चीज को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करवा सकते हैं. अब हम सीखते हैं कीबोर्ड के बारे में. A keyboard has many buttons called keys. We can write on computer with the help of these keys. Writing on a computer is called typing. A keyboard has different types of keys. Let us learn about different types of keys of the keyboard. कीबोर्ड पर बहुत सारी टाइप्स की कीज होती हैं जिनमें शामिल हैं अल्फाबेट कीज, नंबर कीज, स्पेशल keys, function keys and navigation keys. We start with alphabet keys. The keys on which we see alphabets A to Z are called alphabet keys. These keys are used to type letters, words and sentences. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. We see them in 3 rows on a keyboard in a jumbled order. कीबोर्ड पर मौजूद अल्फाबेट कीज बहुत ज्यादा टाइप्स में मिलते हैं. जो सबसे ज्यादा इस्तेमाल होने वाली लेआउट है ये स्टार्ट होती है Q W E R T Y से, जिसकी वजह से हम इसे QWERTY कीबोर्ड कहते हैं. अपनी टाइपिंग की एक्यूरेसी और स्पीड को बेहतर बनाने के लिए आप एक ऑनलाइन टाइपिंग ट्यूटर का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए आप विजिट करें www.typingmaster.com. ये एक बहुत ही मजेदार टूल है जो आपकी टाइपिंग स्पीड और एक्यूरेसी को बेहतर बनाने में बहुत ज्यादा मदद कर सकता है. अब हम देखेंगे नंबर कीज के बारे में. द कीज ऑन विच वी सी नंबर्स 0 to 9 are called number keys. These keys are used to type numbers. यह हमारे कंप्यूटर पर 2 जगह होती हैं. These keys are also known as numeric keys. We find these keys on 2 places on a keyboard. So there are 2 sets of number keys. The first set of number keys is present above the alphabet keys. The second set of keys is present on the right side of the keyboard. It is also known as numeric keypad. Again, if you want to use the numeric keypad, then the numlock key should be on. The numeric keypad is helpful when we have to do calculations. When the numlock key is on, a green light glows on the keyboard near the numlock label. अब हम देखेंगे स्पेशल कीज के बारे में. There are some special keys on the keyboard. These keys are used for specific tasks such as moving to the next line on a page, etc. हम बारी बारी इन सब स्पेशल कीज के फंक्शंस के बारे में भी सीखेंगे। Some of the special keys are as follows: spacebar key, enter key, backspace key, delete key, caps lock key, shift keys, tab key, control keys and escape key। अब हम बारी बारी इन सब के बारे में पढ़ते हैं। Spacebar key. While you are typing, press the spacebar key to add blank spaces between letters, words or numbers. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Enter key. While you are typing, press the enter key once to move to the next line. It moves the cursor down to the next line. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. The enter keys come in different shapes. Backspace key. While you are typing, press the backspace key to erase the letters to the left of the cursor. It is usually the last key in the row of numbers. This may look different on different keyboards. ये कर्सर की बाएं जानिब लिखे गए लेटर या करैक्टर को रिमूव करती है। Delete key. While you are typing, press the delete key to erase the letters to the right of the cursor. Delete key भी बिल्कुल बैकस्पेस की तरह ही इस्तेमाल होती है, लेकिन ये अपने कर्सर के राइट साइड पर मौजूद करैक्टर, लेटर या नंबर को रेज करेगी। Caps lock key. While you are typing, press the caps lock key to type letters in capital. When you press this key, a small light on the keyboard is turned on. Press the caps lock key once again to type lowercase letter. The shift keys. Shift key is used to type the special symbols present on the upper part of the keys. कीबोर्ड की अक्सर कीज पर आपको नजर आएंगे दो कैरेक्टर्स या सिंबल्स। ये शिफ्ट की आपको मदद देती है एक कैरेक्टर के बजाय दूसरे कैरेक्टर को एंटर करने में। When we want to type the special symbol on the upper part of the keys, we use the shift key. It is always used along with other keys. There are two shift keys on the keyboard, and both of them have the same function. It is also used to type alphabets in capital when caps lock key is turned off. इसकी मदद से आप शिफ्ट की दबाने के बाद जब किसी कैरेक्टर को या अल्फाबेट को टाइप करेंगे तो वो अपर केस में लिखा जाएगा। Our next key is tab key. The tab key is used to move the cursor to the right by many spaces. It is present at the left side of the keyboard. Control keys. Control CTRL stands for control. The control keys are used with other keys as shortcut for performing various functions. There are two control keys on the keyboard. Escape key. The escape key is used to close a menu or a dialog box. It is at the top left corner of the keyboard. Function keys. The function keys are used to perform some specific task. These keys are present on the top row of the keyboard marked with letters F1 to F12. These keys have different functions for different programs. हर की का अपना एक फंक्शन है प्रोग्राम के लिहाज से। Next comes the navigation keys. The navigation keys are used to move the cursor around in a document to see or edit text. Some of the navigation keys are as follows: cursor control keys, home keys, end key, page up key, page down key. Cursor control keys. Cursor control keys are also known as arrow keys or direction keys. There are 4 cursor control keys. They are used to move the cursor up, down, left and right. Up and down arrow key move the cursor up or down one line at a time. Left and right arrow keys move the cursor left or right one letter at a time. Home key. The home key is used to move the cursor to the start of the line. End key. End key is used to move the cursor to the end of the line. Page up key. The page up key is used to move the cursor up one page at a time. Page down key is used to move the cursor down one page at a time. अब मैं कुछ functions बोलूंगा और देखते हैं क्या हम guess कर पाते हैं कि इसके लिए कौन सी की यूज होती है. I allow you to move to the next line. Enter key. I allow you to move the cursor to the top of the page. Home key. I allow you to delete the letter to the left of the cursor. Backspace key. I allow you to delete the letter to the right of the cursor. The delete key. Activities में हम ये जरूर चेक करेंगे कि some keys on the keyboard are seen at more than one location. For example, several keyboards have two enter keys. Look at your keyboards around and find more such keys. Observe the different types of mouse pointers. Find out the shape of the mouse pointer. Most commonly seen while navigating the desktop, when the computer is starting an activity. Review. A mouse is a part of computer which looks like a real mouse. The small arrow on the monitor is called the mouse pointer. The mouse with two buttons is known as a two-button mouse. The two buttons are left button and right button. A mouse with three buttons is known as a three-button mouse. The three buttons are left button, middle button, and right button. We use a keyboard to give instructions to the computer. Alphabet keys are used to type letters, words, and sentences. The number keys are used for typing numbers. The spacebar key is used to add blank spaces between letters, words, or numbers. The enter key is used to move to the next line.
जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये था हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 4 माउस एंड कीबोर्ड. इस चैप्टर में हमने माउस और कीबोर्ड की मुख्तलिफ फंक्शनैलिटीज़ और उनके कुछ छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स के मुतालिक मज़ीद सीखा. चलिए चलते हैं, आप इस चैप्टर को रिव्यू करते हैं. जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, रिव्यू के बाद अब बारी आती है इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज की और हम उन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं जो कुछ भी हमने इस चैप्टर में आज सीखा। चलिए बढ़ते हैं अब एक्सरसाइज की तरफ।
ग्रेड 2 चैप्टर नंबर 4 माउस एंड कीबोर्ड एक्सरसाइज। क्वेश्चन ए, टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। Dash is the longest key on the keyboard. Option B, spacebar key. Statement 2, which of the following is used in a laptop? Option C, touchpad mouse. Which key is used to move the cursor to the right by many spaces? Option B, tab key. Question B, write T for true and F for false in the given circle. Releasing the mouse button after dragging is called dropping. True. A computer mouse should not be kept on a mouse pad. False. There is only one shift key on the keyboard. False. The end key is used to move the cursor to the end of the line. True. Question C. Fill in the blanks. Moving a mouse while keeping the left button pressed is called dragging. When we click the left mouse button twice quickly, it is called double click. The dash key is used to move that to the next line. The enter key. The dash key is used to raise the letter typed after the cursor. The delete key. Question 4. Answer the following question. Question number 1. What is the use of double click mouse action? When we click the left mouse button twice quickly, it is called double click and it is used to open a file, folder or window. Question number 2. Define right click. When we press the right click of the mouse, the list of commands that appears is known as a pop-up menu or shortcut menu. Question number 3. What are navigation keys? Name some of the navigation keys. The navigation keys are used to move the cursor around in a document to see or edit text. Some of the navigation keys are cursor control keys, home key, end key, page up key, page down key. Question number 4. What is the use of tab key? Tab key is used to move the cursor to the right by many spaces. It is present at the left side of the keyboard. Creativity skills में we will draw and color the picture of 3-button mouse and a wireless mouse in the spaces given alongside. And we will also try to open the following program using the mouse. Click on Start button, All apps, Windows accessories and Notepad. Click on Start button, All apps, Windows accessories and WordPad. Open WordPad with the help of your teacher and type the following story. Think and answer. If your classmate pulls the wire of the mouse while drawing, what will you do? Activity work में we will collect the pictures of different types of computer mouse and paste them in your scrapbook. We will also discuss the different types of keys of the keyboard in class in detail.
जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये थी हमारी आज की एक्सरसाइज। इसमें हमने कंप्यूटर के दो इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट्स माउस और कीबोर्ड की फंक्शनैलिटी सीखी और उसके मुतालिक कुछ एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस भी सॉल्व किए। कंप्यूटर के इस्तेमाल के एक मैनर के लिहाज से आज मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा कि आप माउस को इस्तेमाल करते वक्त हमेशा माउस पैड का इस्तेमाल ज़रूर करें। ये माउस के इस्तेमाल को मज़ीद आसान बनाएगा। मैं मिलूँगा आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ। तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।